Now, what Danny means by ventilation is how your attic breathes, and that air exchange is so important. Attic ventilation in the summertime is going to keep the home cooler. That means your air conditioner is going to work less. You're automatically saving money right there. In the wintertime, it's going to help move out the moisture, which eliminates the buildup of mold and mildew. Now, you accomplish this two ways. First of all is intake. Look at this. This is so common to millions of homes across the U.S. You got this solid soffit. It looks really nice. One little vent is just not enough. It won't do it. So we're going to cut holes in the soffit, cover those holes with a vent. If you think that's too big, that's okay. I've got one like this. Oh, how about this? Is simple. Little 3-inch hole. Pop it right in place. Now the second half of the equation is the exhaust. You've got to let that air out. Right up top here, this is the ridge. A ridge vent is basically cutting a hole across here and then covering it with a component that's going to let that air out of the attic but keep the rain and critters out. If you can't do a ridge vent, certainly I do recommend a power roof vent as close to the ridge as possible.